Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can make your Twitter account private. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get started. And first of all, open the X app on your phone or the old Twitter. And then you're in the top corner, go to your profile picture. Then Settings and Support. Then Settings and Privacy. And here go the privacy as well. Then select the very first section. This is Audience and Tags. And in order to make your X account more official, you'll need to activate both of these sections, which is protecting your posts and also protecting your videos. When you activate them, only people who follow you will see your posts on the X app, and other unauthorized users of the app, they won't be able to see your posts and they won't be able to see your videos. That's how, friends, you can easily make your X or Twitter account private. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, give us your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.